ki Khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features. Ka any ride, ka app ban book taxi bat bike, ban pensuk ya ka let kawan katkum ka jingdon kam jongpi, namar bangi nyokor ya ka por jongpi. Download ya ka app na ka Play Store.
Hatu pikwa baki janjong pi kin kuit bha, benar kam, daka Oswell Soup, kilaban yo na barok kidukan.
U Menteri Rangba Gejela, U Konrad Kongkal Sangma, haka arpu pratarik unaitung arhajar arfulai. Ula Maham ting ya ginu gilat Pathai Khubor giba Pathai Khubor Lamler halor ke Jingjia syo yadat kabalaja ha Mahadev Khola haka arpu sautarik unaitung arhajar arfulai. Haka Jingjia keren bat gilat Pathai Khubor, U Menteri Rangba ula kentu ya ginu gilat Pathai Khubor, bagi day banda pensisya ya kitolong jingtip shua bagian penmi ya ginu ke Khubor. Bat hakajo kapor ula Maham lada kino gilat Pathai Khubor kiban nabar Gejela bat kiban nagani Gejela ki tampalat ya upur klem da tip ya ke Jingjia ka sorkar kamban se ban le da kabating hakajo kapor ula yaiban da kabaong ka Jingjia ha Mahadev Khola kamshim laja satya na gano ka jings ngau ya per niam
motivated or religiously motivated. I just want to make that clear. There was some groups of individuals who had gone to some of the shops. This is the initial report that's come to me, but we are still working on the details. And when there was some kind of altercation that took place, and because some of the stuff that they were demanding for or asking for was not given, and some exchange took place of words, that more people came in and they attacked the individuals. So it was a very standalone incident, not at all religiously or communally motivated, but it just so happens that the two groups were from two different communities, and hence it is easy to connect those dots and then try to give it a communal or religious color. I'm very clear, it's not. We have asked and studied all the background of the individuals. They are not related to any particular organization or any kind of communal issue, anything like that. It was a standalone incident that happened between two groups, and as per law, whatever action has to be taken will be taken. And I appeal to everybody not to give this kind of incident or any other incident that is there a communal color from day one. This is not correct, as it leads to unnecessary tension. But this incident, as I said, was completely between two groups and two individuals, which had nothing to do with religion. Sir. Yeah, you mean to say against the news channels?
Yes.
We have not gone into that level, but I mean, we do expect the news agencies also to be responsible, to not give it a communal color. But yes, if it goes beyond a certain point, then we will take action against against agencies that do unnecessarily create this kind of a picture. Because as I said, the agencies should do their homework first, find out the facts, and only then come out with any kind of thing. But I will reiterate, there is no communal or no religious angle to this incident.